And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Have a great day. Bye.
This is Sea Lion leader Billy Gatto with this week's announcements. We hope you had a restful and fun Labor Day weekend. It is good to be back. UTK and kindergarten will begin their regular 1:20 dismissal. Way to go, Sea Lions! It's College Day on Wednesday. Wear your favorite college gear and celebrate your bright future. The Youth Center music classes will begin on Wednesday after school. Los Al's Superintendent Dr. Pulver is visiting McGaw on Thursday. Let's show him our very best by being respectful and hardworking throughout the day. Charleston rap assemblies are happening on Friday. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Hey McGaw Sea Lions, I'm super excited to announce that there is now a PTA membership contest. We're looking to reach 500 memberships from between September 3rd to October 3rd. We want everyone to join the McGaw PTA to support programs that support our sea lions. Each class that reaches 100% memberships will receive a class raw buck. Every class at 100% wins a jester visit with a new book for the class library and some yummy donuts. The class that has the highest amount of memberships will be the winning class, and they're going to receive a treat bag with book vending machine coins. Let's get in on the action by donating $10 per membership with 0 volunteer duties required. Thanks so much, Sea Lions, for getting your parents involved in the PTA. Attention 5th graders, the annual 5th grade t-shirt contest is going on right now. Submissions are due to the front office by September 18th, and 5th graders will vote on the final winning design. This unique opportunity is open to all 5th graders. We just ask that you use standard printer, paper size, and you design a McGaw image for your graduating class. Use only 4 colors or less. Black and white are colors, by the way, and put your name on the back of your design. If you have any questions, contact Miss Stacia Walker. Thanks so much, Sea Lions.
It's time for
Sea Lion
baseball.
Hey, Sea Lions. We want you to join the other McGaw families for a fun night of Angels baseball on Friday, September 13th. Go ahead and wear your red McGaw or Angels shirts as the Angels take on the Houston Astros. The game starts at 6:38 p.m. and the first 25,000 fans in attendance will receive an Angels Ducks hat. Section 202 is sold out, but there are still seats available in neighboring Section 201. Tickets start at $20 each, and a portion of each ticket that you purchase will support 5th grade activities. Go ahead and check out the link in McGaw Connect to buy your tickets now.
I got a rubber.
Yeah, way to go, dude. High five. Nice one. Congratulations to UTK student Landon Smallwood. Landon stayed behind at lunch to help his brother clean up all the extra trash. Thanks so much, Landon, for being such a super helper.
Kindergarten.
Miss Kim wants a shout out. Kindergarten student Amelia Lazama. She says that Amelia gives 100% effort in everything she does in class. From writing letters and numbers to coloring, I can see that she's trying her very best. Way to go, Amelia. You're being responsible, aware, and super honorable.
1st grade.
Miss Ordaz gave a raw buck to 1st grader Cruz Pennebaker. She said that Cruz helped clean up the classroom by cleaning up all his things and other people's things too. Thanks so much for being a great helper, Cruz. You're doing great.
2nd grade.
Mrs. Bassage wants to give a raw buck to Mason Van Dyke. She says that Mason was a great team player in music. He keeps it super positive. Way to go, Mason. Thanks for being responsible, aware, and so honorable.
3rd grade.
Mrs. Charisse wants to shout out 3rd grader Zane Montana. She says that he is being responsible and honorable because while playing Gaga Ball, he was honest and got out with a calm body and a positive attitude. We need a lot more of that in the Gaga Ball pit. Thanks so much, Zane.
4th grade.
Mrs. Wallace wants to shout out 4th grader Natalia Dileva. She said that Natalia was being honorable and responsible when another student was trying to hook her by calling her names. Natalia decided to simply ignore him. Way to go, Natalia. Thanks for not reacting and doing the right thing to stay away from that fisherman.
5th grade.
Mrs. Wallace wants to say thank you to 5th grader Tatum Riley. She says that Tatum recognized that another classmate might need a buddy and offered to help right away. Thanks so much, Tatum, for doing the right thing and helping our students be the best they can be. We appreciate you.
Have a great day. Ron McGaw.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.